Transforming your Minecraft with mods can drastically change your experience, adding features like dragons, new dimensions to discover, or overhauling the gameplay. In this tutorial, we are going to dive into how to install Forge, the gateway to a plethora of fantastic Minecraft mods. First, navigate to the official Forge website in your browser and locate the download section here. You'll find different Minecraft versions. Choose the one that matches the mods you're after. Now, find the installer option for your chosen Minecraft version and initiate the download depending on your connection speed. Downloading can take some time. Once the download is complete, find the installer file, usually located in your downloads directory. Execute the Forge installer file by double-clicking it. Your operating system might request confirmation before it runs, so allow the installation to proceed. In the installation window, opt for Install Client if you're aiming for single-player gameplay. If you are setting up a multiplayer server, choose Install Server. After the installation wraps up, launch the Minecraft launcher. You will now find a new Forge profile, generally with the Minecraft version and Forge added to its name. Choose the Forge profile and press play. If you spot Minecraft Forge on the startup screen, Forge is successfully installed. Don't forget that you will also see a mods button in the main menu. Clicking it will show your base mods. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Forge. Now venture forth and explore the boundless universe of Minecraft mods.